Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ. Today, in the 6th day of a 7 days 7 cones series, let's make some frankincense cones. The Latin name for it is Boswellia serrata and it comes in white, yellow, off-white or grey crystalline forms. In India, it is commonly called olibanum. The element of it is fire, and its traditional associations are that with cleansing, purification, and protection. Even if you are not an incense enthusiast, you must have certainly heard of the story of baby Jesus being gifted the gift of frankincense, myrrh, and gold. That's how important this resin is. This resin holds a place of honor across the cultures all over the world. Since ancient days, frankincense has been an important resin all over the world. Because of its association with the fire element, we can very safely say that it is associated with the Manipurak chakra in our body. Manipurak chakra is the seat of fire in our body. And fire is a very important thing for us, for our survival and for our progress. From Kamagni that gives birth to us, the fire of lust, to Jatharagni, the digestive fire that nourishes us, to Chitagni, the fire of fire that helps us cross over to the other side. Fire holds a very important place in all of our lives. And frankincense is equally important as a tree resin. It helps to purify and cleanse a space. It helps kill bacteria and viruses. It is antidepressant and has great antibacterial values. Because of its association with the fire element, we can clearly associate it with Bhagwan Ram, who is supposed to heal us. The very name of Ram heals us. He resides in us in the form of fire. A fire that nourishes us, that helps us progress in life.
दशरथ अजर बिहारी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम हो हरि अनंत हरि कथानंता कहि सुनहि बहु विधि सब संता राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय राम। राम सिया राम जय जय